All right, let's give those views more meaningful name. Okay, so I'm going to call this one IMG ball. Okay, and then this will be, and then click yes. Okay, and then this will be BTN. Okay, BTN. Let me see. Okay, animation. Okay, give me a minute. Okay. Yes, okay, frame, okay, animation, okay, yeah, yes, and then this will be BTN, okay, button, okay, tween, animation. Oh, all right, okay, and then okay, we're going to switch to the source code, okay, here, okay, yeah. So this give me a little bit warning, okay. I think it's the image description. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, image description here. So let me use the okay, let me see. Sorry, my bad. It should be the content description. Okay, the content, okay, description. Okay, let me use the key I set up in the strings, the XML file. All right, so you can see the warning is gone. So let me switch to the source code view. Let me increase the font size here. And then again, I will need a variable of the so-called animation drawable type. And then let me call this one as ball animation. Animation. And then over here, I'm going to declare variables to refer to my button. For example, button. And then let me call this one BTN frame animation. You go to file view by ID r.id dot frame animation. Okay, so far so good. And make sure that we cast to the right data type. Okay, it will be button. Okay, it will be button. And then we're gonna to also set another one up for the frame animation. Sorry, for the tween animation. Tween animation. Go to file view by ID r.id dot btn frame animation. Yeah, so far so good. And let me cast. Cast the object to the right data type. All right. Okay. So far so good. Okay. And then we also have to set up an image view. Okay. To refer to the image control. We set up in the layout file. Okay. So file view by ID r.id dot image bar. That's correct. And then again, we need to cast the object to the right data type. So it will be image view. And then next one, we're going to set the images, image background resource, to the animation XML file. We set it up a moment ago. So it's in the drawable. It's in the drawable. And then dot animation XML file. That's correct. All right. And then the next thing we want to try will be the the variable over here. Ball animation variable over here to be able to refer to the image get background option here. And then again make sure we cast it to the right data type. So it will be animation drawable. All right, and then okay, again, okay, before we do anything uh, further, okay, let's see whether we can do a simple animation or not. Okay, so ball dot start. Okay, so again, the drawable, okay, variable, okay, will have the methods, okay, such as start to start the animation. Okay, so when it's called, the images, okay, background images related to the image view over here will keep changing. Okay, and then what images to use will based on the images, okay, and the time, okay, we set up in the animation, okay, .xml file. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, let's try it out. Yeah, so let me set this one aside, and let me click stop the emulator and then start the app. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, and let's see, okay, whether it will start or not. Okay, so this, okay, okay, all right. Okay, so let me see. Okay, it won't start. Okay, so let me see what am I missing here. Okay, all right. Theoretically, when the app, okay, start, okay, when the app start, okay, the animation should be performed, okay, since okay, I have the ball animation dot start method being called. Okay, but then the reason we won't see the animation is that, okay, over the GUI over here, okay, I put the image there. Okay, so let me remove the image. Okay, so let me see. Okay, yeah, this will be the image. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, remove it. Okay, so you can see that the image, okay, once I removed, okay, then the size is gone. Okay, so let me go back to set the image size. Okay, so let me set the image size, okay, to 300 dp for the width, and also the height, okay, for 300 dp as well. All right, okay, so now, okay, let's run the app again. Okay, let's run the app again, okay, after we again delete the image. The image view is still there, but then we just don't want the image view to associate with an image. Okay, so let's run the app now. Okay, so let me run it. So it's loading, okay, and then you see that it's animating. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so let me stop it. Okay, and then let me comment it out to get the code over here. So now I'm going to set up the onClick method, okay, associated with the start frame, okay, button over there. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, let me do that. Okay, so over here, let me try BTM frame dot get set, okay, click listener. Okay, let me increase the screen size, okay, a little bit, and then new, okay, and then get on click listener. Okay, then get in the on click method, I'm going to type something like this. Okay, ball animation dot start. Okay, so once it's clicked, okay, which means that, okay, once the button is clicked, then okay, you will start animation. But at the same time, okay, I want to set up the click event method, okay, for the second button over here. Okay, so when the button is clicked, okay, then I want to stop the animation. Okay, of course, and later on, okay, we will enhance the code that, okay, when it stop, when the second button is clicked, it will stop the frame by frame animation, but then also you will start the tween animation, but we will take care of that later. Okay, so now let me set up the code, okay, for the tween animation here. Okay, that set on click event new. Okay, click event. Okay, then let me type the code. Okay, so let me stop the frame by frame animation first. Okay. Okay, sorry, it should be ball. Okay, animation dot stop. Okay, stop. All right. Okay, so again, okay, let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so let me remove those activities. Okay, so let me start the app to test our code. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so again, now if I click the start frame animation here, then this method will be called. Then the animation will stop. Okay. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so far so good. But then if I click the second button over here, then the animation will be stopped. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so again, start. Okay, and then I can stop. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so the coding part for the frame by frame animation is completed. Then we're going to spend time to create the tween animation. Okay, so let me stop the video now.